Hey everyone, it's Tom Jackson. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be showing you how to build a storage cart to store your doors and maybe a hardtop, sun top if you have a hardtop as well too. The other day I showed you how you can build your own hoist system using 2x4s and rope and some pool noodles and carpeting. I've got it connected to a pulley system going down the side of my barn over to a winch. Make sure you check that video out too if you're having troubles getting your top on and off by yourself. This is a nice, simple, inaffordable, cheap way to do it, and it works out pretty darn good. So make sure you check that video out as well too. Now today we're going to be focusing on the cart that I built. You can see it's made of 2x4 construction using some carpeting as well to protect the doors from getting scratched. It's also on a 4x4 end with some casters on it so I can roll it around my barn as well. Makes it nice and easy to move it wherever I need to store the doors and top and get it closer to the Jeep so I can put the doors on without having to carry them across the garage or the barn. All right, so let's go ahead and set this up and show you just how easy it is to get these things situated on this rack. And there we go, a nice simple cart to store your sun top if you have a sun top, and to store your doors as well too. Some people roll their windows down, some keep them up. I just like to take them off as fast as I can. I don't roll my windows down. I do have carpeting on the bottom rails to protect the paint from the doors on the inside as well too. And as you can see, real easy to move around. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and set up notifications as well so you can get alerted to more cool stuff as I start to show you. Thanks for watching.